hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the basic education curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education. May I therefore request you to confirm their graduation.
May I call on our school administrator to confirm for the confirmation of the graduates. And be ready, kids, to receive your certificates later.
So by the authority vested in me as the school administrator of the Lord Central Learning Center, and having been presented by the school principal that you have completed the basic requirements and curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education, I now confer you graduates of the Lord's Hand Learning Center for school year 2023-2024. Congratulations.
May I request our school administrators and our school principal for the distribution of the certificates.
Do solemnly pledge to uphold the ideals of my alma mater, to live by her vision mission, to serve as a guiding light in becoming a true TLHLC student. So help me God. Once again, let's give them a round